Hello friends, welcome to my channel VAGPE Media. This is Paulomi, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful digital art like this in Canva. Well, those who have not yet been accustomed with Canva, who are absolute beginner, for them I would like to urge you that you please go and check my Canva for beginner playlist, which you'll be getting at the top right hand side corner of this video. Now let's start our tutorial today. I'll first take a fresh page, I'll add page on my Canva dashboard, and I'll go to elements. Now in elements I will type orange, I will go to photos and I will choose a suitable orange picture from here. I will take this one, I will rotate it a little bit so that it looks straight. I'll take a full orange. I'll take this one. I'll again adjust the size and position, and I will keep it beside the half orange. Now I'll take another new page, and I will just shift my half orange because I'm going to remove the background and a part of this orange. Now I'll go to edit image and go to background remover option, a BG remover option. This is available only for Canva Pro users, so if you're not having Canva Pro option, then you can go to my affiliate link, which is given in the description box below, and you can use it for 30 days absolutely free, and if you like it, then later on you can make the payment. So let's do the background remover work here. Once you do this, you will get the access of erase brush and resume brush. Now you remember one thing, you are not supposed to apply it before making the other changes. Now I have taken the erase brush and I will slowly and minutely remove the part which I don't want here to be. That's the main reason I have gone to this edit image option and background remover option, because these brushes are only available after you do the background remover. So I have already done it. Whatever little bit is left, be very vigilant about it. If in case you by mistake if you have erased some part of it and you want to resume it, you can go to this plus brush which is written resume, and you can resume any part like I am going to do now, like this. Whatever whichever part you want to resume, you can just add those parts by resume brush. Once you are satisfied with your removal process, just click on done and then apply. In this regard, I would like to tell you I have made other effects on Canva, which playlist you'll be getting in the top right hand side corner of this video. Now I'm going to take a beautiful water image here. So again I will get it from elements, and I have taken a beautiful water image which I'll position it just in front of the erased orange, and I will go to position and just click on backward and adjust the orange according to the size of my image so that it covers the desired part of the orange. Be little patient in doing this sort of art, but I can assure you once you finish doing this, you will get enough appreciations in your social media platforms or wherever you are going to use this art. Once done, you are going to do one trick out here. We are going to take some shapes from elements option and we are going to color it in yellow, and just to cover this part of the page, we are going to just duplicate or copy paste the same blocks and cover the unwanted parts of this page. The main reason why we do this is to do a masking effect, because Canva as of yet has not brought a straightforward masking effect which we get in other advanced softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro and all. Therefore, this is my way of doing manual masking for any image, and by this process, masking process, you can literally create any effect which is only created in Photoshop. So once you learn this technique, it can help you to create beautiful digital arts whichever way you want. So just keep adding some shapes. Don't worry about the sides which might stay left. Try to cover as much area as possible. But in my next step, I'm going to tell you how to get it clean. So just make sure the color is yellow so that it is distinguishable from your main image. Like this, you try to cover as much area as possible. So yeah, this is how you are going to adjust and rotate. Now I'm going to take a circle, make a smaller circle, position it at the corners so that it covers even more area. Just make sure you change the colors to the same color which you're using for other shapes as well, and keep duplicating and adding it in different places wherever you find there is an extra image left to get covered. Once you are satisfied with this technique, then you're going to go to download option. You're going to select PNG option. Right now this option has been changed to share. You will get, instead of download, you will get the share button. So it's the same way. Once you click on the share button, you will get you'll get the download option little downwards. Once you are downloaded, just drag the downloaded file to a new page. Crop it from all four sides. Make it larger. Keep it selected. Go to edit image. Again same process, background remover to get the brushes access. Once done, now you are going to use the same process of masking. You just need to erase the unwanted part of this image and get it clean. So I'll do it little faster and come back. You can reduce the size of the brush as per your need, and you can, by the below scroller, you can actually enlarge the picture. And now this is nice and clean. Now done, and apply. Once you're done with this, you're going to position it in a right way, and you will have to drag the picture. You can remove these parts as well. So I'll have to drag this full orange image. You can copy paste as well and position it in a right way with a proper size. Just position both the oranges so that it looks realistic. Now next we are going to get some fishes, gold fishes. Before that, I'll just remove all this, delete all these unwanted worksheets. Now I'm going to take the gold fishes. I will go to elements again and type on the search bar golden fish. Please choose as per your requirement. I get many options in photos, so I'm going to take choose few of them from photos. I will select the image and go to edit image and BG remover. Once removed, please make it smaller and change the angle. Likewise, you take more fishes if you want, as many as you want. Once these fishes inside the tank is ready, now this is time to get a jumping fish. So for that, all I need to type is jumping golden fish or jumping fish. Same way, find out a suitable fish. Let me take this one. Oh, this one I am not liking, so I'll just take this one. This one is looking much realistic, so let me position it. Same way, you just have to select the picture, go to edit image and background remover. You'll have to keep continuing this process unless and until your desired number of fishes are there in the worksheet. Likewise, I will select couple of pictures and make it smaller, crop it from both the sides. I'll take just the desired part and repeat the same process as shown before. Just keep changing the positions and bring them to the back of the water. For that, you just need to go to position and click on backward. Right, like this, you will have to make it realistic, as if the fishes are jumping out of the water. Now again, I will go to elements and I'll take some splash, water splash, so that I can give it a little more dimension. This is where your little imagination and creativity required. Change the shape and size and angle as well. If you find this is too vibrant, then go to this small transparency option and change the transparency to make it look more realistic. Repeat the same process unless and until you get the desired effect. Make sure you position them as per the requirement. Go to position and put it backwards or forward as you want. Crop at times whenever you need. This is pretty much it. Now you will have to just fine tune the art. Now I am going to give it a little more dimension by adding some beautiful shadow. So I will type shadow in the elements option and get some shadows which are looking realistic. Put it underneath the main image. Size and shape should be as per your image size. Make sure the position is backward. Your image should be in the forward position. Equally, I will do the same thing for this orange as well. Just position it, correct the angle, and go to position backward. Boom. It looks pretty realistic, isn't it? And make sure it does not look too vibrant. Just dilute it by changing the transparency. Now I'm going to give it a beautiful animation effect so that it looks realistic. From animate option, you can select the elements and you can give any animation style you feel like. There are many styles which comes in Canva Pro option. Once again, I'm telling you, you can use my affiliate link where you can use Canva Pro features or premium features for 30 days, and if you like, eventually you can make the payment, otherwise you can anytime discontinue. So this is how after animation the complete effect is looking like. I hope you like my tutorial today. If yes, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Every single week I come up with some new videos on graphic designing and video editing topics. So I would be really glad if you let me know what exactly you're looking for as a graphics designer, so that I can create a separate video on that. Today till here, I'll come back with some new videos next week, and this is how you're going to download. It should be in MP4 format.